Okay, Shelby, you need something new now. You kind of got that other stuff down. Now, I want you to read the green note that I have. Give you a second. Pause the video. This has a second power, but the equation looks much different than what it had been. What you did yesterday was known as parabolas. These things are called parabolas, is what they're called. Now, what you did yesterday was in standard form. There was an ax squared, a lot of times a bx, sometimes not, and then a c. Now, today we have what's known as vertex form. Vertex form has one parentheses, but the whole parentheses is to the second power, okay? So one parentheses, second power. Okay, on the back is the directions on how to graph it, okay? First, set whatever's in the parentheses equal to 0. So this is x minus 5. I set that equal to 0. And then I just plus 5 and plus 5, so x equals 5, okay? So I solved the little equation, and this right here, this is the middle x, okay? And then I plus 1 and minus 1 to find the other x's. So that's going to be 6 and 4. Now, it might be a little bit of a hassle to find the y's using a calculator, okay? So here's what you're going to do. So I've got -3. And you got to hit, on your phone, you need to hit times before you go to your parentheses. So times, and then parentheses, and then we're going to put 6 minus 5. Now hit your other parentheses, and now hit your second power key, okay? Second power. And then plus 3. You got 0, okay? Okay, now -3 times, you got to hit times. On your phone, the way your phone's programmed, you're going to have to hit times before the parentheses. Parentheses, 5 goes in for x, minus 5, close the parentheses, go to the second power, and plus 3. Okay, and that's 3. Now, I hope I get 0 here, okay? But I don't know. So -3 times parentheses, now 4 minus 5, so minus 5, close the parentheses, and plus 3. Okay, oh, I didn't do that right. Okay, so I know I did something wrong there. Okay. So let's try it again. Maybe I just -3 times parentheses and then 4 minus 5 and then close the parentheses to the second power plus 3. Okay, I got 0, so that's probably correct since it matches that. Okay, so 6, 0. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stay at 0. And then 5, 3. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. And then 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we know what happens there. And it goes downwards because we had a negative in the front. Okay, so the next one. Again, set whatever's in the parentheses equal to 0. So x plus 4 equals 0. Now solve the little equation, and that's your middle x, okay? So that 0 minus 4 is -4, so -4. So I make this table -4. So -4, -4. And then I plus 1 and minus 1. So I take negative 4 plus 1, negative 3. And I take negative 4 minus 1, and that's negative 5. Okay? So that's what will go in for the x. It's only really going to be one x you got to work. So 5 times the parentheses negative 3 plus 4. Then I close the parentheses, and after I close it, I got to hit the second power key. Second power minus 4. Okay, I got 1. Okay, now 5 times parentheses negative 4 plus 4, so plus 4. Close the parentheses and second power, and then minus 4. Okay, I got negative 4. Now I'm hoping I get 1 here. So 5 times parentheses negative 5 plus 4, close it, second power, then minus 4. Okay, I got 1 again, so that's good. Okay, so negative 3, 1, I go right 1, 2, 3, up 1. Negative 4, I go left 1, 2, 3, 4, and down 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 5, 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 1. Okay, all right, so there's our parabola. Okay, the next one. So there's a second power, but it belongs to the whole parentheses, so that's vertex form. So set whatever's in the parentheses equal to 0. So in this case, I've got x, just set little x minus 4. Solve the little equation. This is the middle x. So plus 4, so x is 4. Okay, so my middle x is 4, and then I plus 1 and minus 1. All right, so negative 6 times the parentheses 5 minus 4, so minus 4, and then close the parentheses. Now hit your second power button and plus 9. Okay, I got 3. Okay, negative 6 times parentheses 4 minus 4. Close the parentheses and hit your second power key. Plus 9, and I got 9. Okay. Okay, now 3. Negative 6 times parentheses 3 minus 4, close it, to the second power, plus 9. Okay, that gives me 3. Okay, so 5, 3. I go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 3, 3. I go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we have it. Okay, and then the last one, x minus 4, so plus 4, plus 4. So if 4 is the middle, or equals, what am I doing? X minus 4 equals 0. So I add 4, so that's 4. So that's your middle, and then 5 and 3. Okay, so right away here I have the parentheses. So parentheses, and then 5 minus 4, close it, into the second power, plus 3, and that's 4. I put 4 in, so parentheses 4 minus 4, close it, to the second power, plus 3, and that's 3. Okay, now parentheses 3 minus 4 to the second power, plus 3 is 4. Okay, so 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And then 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's all I have to say on that. And if you guys need a new video on Monday, let me know.